Hi, I'm Shelly Gang. I lead the products desk at Tata Mutual Fund. I've been associated with the financial services industry for the past 20 to 22 years. And I've been with the Tata Mutual Fund for the past 6 years. And it's a pleasure to be talking to all of you today. We will be speaking about the new fund launch from the House of Tatas, which is Tata BSE Quality Index Fund. So, in the search for what drives risk and return of a stock, factors were discovered. So, growth, value, low volatility, dividend yield, size, quality, and momentum and alpha came in later. This is about factor investing. Talking about quality, what is quality and how is it measured? Before that, just a little analogy there. When you are going to buy a house or build, take a decision for buying a house, you would want to buy a good quality house in a good neighborhood. That is quality buying. Or when you are building a cricket team to win matches, you would want to have high quality players, consistent players, and who have a good track record. That's how you win matches. In investing, quality can be assessed through fundamentals like profitability, operational efficiency, and the robustness of the company overall. How is quality measured then? BSE Quality Index takes into account three metrics: return on equity, accrual ratio, and financial leverage. Return on equity indicates how efficiently the capital has been deployed. Accrual ratio defines the quality of earnings, whether the earnings are happening more by way of cash sales or on account of debtor sales. It should be more of cash sales. So, higher the return on equity, the better, lower the accrual ratio, the better, and lower the financial leverage, which is debt to equity, the better. That is how quality is measured. What BSE Quality Index does is the universe is a BSE Large and Mid Cap 250. It calculates a score for each of these matrix, the three matrix that we discussed for each of the stock 250 stocks, and then calculates a consolidated quality score for each of the stock. The top 30 stocks are selected, for the quality index. And how are the weights assigned to them? Basis the free float market cap. So for all these 30 stocks, the stocks with higher free float market cap get larger weights. One important point in this methodology is there is a stock cap of 5% and there is a sector cap of 30%. This helps to make the index a lot more diversified. Quality investing attracts defensive sectors. Those three metrics which define quality or which are used to assess quality of companies tend to attract defensive sectors like FMCG and IT. These are the two large sectors which tend to have a larger weight in the index. And there is a lot more predictability of earnings and stability of earnings attached to these defensive sectors. And that is how, during market downturns, quality investing actually provides a great cushion to the portfolio of investors, because quality as a factor tends to outperform during market downturn phases. And if, as investors, you believe that the journey of the market will be strewn with market downturn phases, along with obviously bull phases, then quality investing plays a good role in the portfolio. Of course, the trajectory of Indian equity markets is linear upwards, but the journey also has phases of market downturns. It could be because of geopolitical events, it could be because of US Fed announcements, or it could be because of India earnings discussion. But volatility is there and is a part of the equity market journey. And that is where quality factor investing comes and plays its key role in the overall portfolio of the investors and provides a very good investor experience. Tata BSE Quality Index Fund will be open for subscriptions on 17th of March and it will remain open till 20th of March. So happy investing. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.